totality in the telescope views we have in Iceland and Spain, respectively. And if we switch back to the map, you'll see that the moon's shadow actually looks smiling.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So why do we see a 360-degree sunset during an eclipse?
Because there is light on either side.
So, and then what we're seeing now is the partial eclipse happening in Norway. They will just be experiencing a partial, but in Iceland, they are experiencing totality right now. We have experiments in the skies, and also a plane capturing data in the skies as well.
Yes, we do. And it's really interesting looking at the sun. There are some features, those lines that you see, the dark lines.
You never know when the weather will just obscure your view. So we want to take every opportunity we can to get observations.
Definitely.
Okay, so if you were in Iceland and you were either seeing clouds or you were able to see totality there, it looks like they have clear skies, which is awesome. And so if you are watching the solar eclipse from the ground, remember to wear... So this was taken by Joel Kowski with NASA headquarters. So in the middle, you can see a tiny little speck, and that's the space station that flew right in front of the partial eclipse at 1:14 p.m. Eastern Time. We're about 7 minutes away from totality in Leon, Spain, which is so exciting. This is some of the crowds there that we're seeing. You can see that the darkness is looming. It's not quite totality there yet, but they are almost there, which is awesome. And the view that we're seeing right now is of Leon, Spain. And even though totality hasn't occurred yet, you can see a tiny little filament, or prominence, sorry, on the one side. Okay, so remember to be safe when watching a solar eclipse. And this is the sun's view. Oh my goodness. So 2 minutes until totality, and we have a slither of the sun left. This is just amazing.
Yes, it's so beautiful. And like you were saying, there is that prominence there that we already see. So these are things that are very interesting and, again, can erupt in the space weather that we were talking about earlier. So this is a great view.
Wow, this is a stunning view. We have just a slither left, and this is the moon covering the sun's disk. And when totality occurs, that slither will disappear. We're about 30 seconds away now from totality in Spain. If you're on the ground and you have clear skies, we are so happy for you.
Yes, definitely. It's just beautiful, and again, probably feeling so much excitement.
Disappear.
Oh,
okay.
The little time ring.
Wow.
Yeah. All right.
Totality has hit Spain.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Lovely view.
What is the red mark that we're seeing on the image right now of the sun?
So the red mark is that filament. So it's a bunch of very hot, based on the magnetic fields of the sun, that keeps it kind of in a little magnetic cage. Oh, look at that. That's a really nice view of the corona. You're seeing things that look like streaks coming out of us, and those are streamers. So that's the basis of the solar wind that we are bathed in constantly. The sun is constantly outflowing material, and so that's that constant stream, and then you see what could become a big chunk at some point in time in the pink filaments.
The moon is moving away from the sun right now. What is it that we're watching?
Yeah, Bailey's beads, and so these are
so much clearer. Why is the corona so much clearer during a total eclipse?
Yes, yeah. So it's so much clearer because you're taking away all the bright light from the face of the sun. The sun is very bright, so it's basically a million times different. And when you blow very little sliver, again, this is towards sunset. So normally, if you're looking at a sunset, especially over water, you're seeing that kind of orange ball, red ball go down, and then you have this beautiful eclipse to happen. These really are just going to be spectacular images.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so let's head back to the poll answers.